Hey, miss. I just like my name patch. That's Trudy. I look like a little hooker right now. Hang on. So, I want to show you this camper. I'm going to switch it around. There it is. Got it in the driveway. Here's our door. Sunny out right now. Woo! Walking up the steps. So here's the couch, and here's some night tables next to the bed and a bright window, and there's the Murphy bed. So you would pull this out like that and then drop the Murphy bed. Now let's see if I can put this back together. Ooh, hold on. Alright, there we go. Alright, and then there's David. Say hey. So here's our little kitchen. Microwave convention oven. Nice size fridge. A little vacuum. And then you walk into the bathroom. Well, there's a full-length mirror outside the bathroom. You go into the bathroom, there's the shower. There's our mirror that's going up on the wall. And so there's the bathroom. So we're going to take that mirror. We're going to put it right there. And another nice window and a great exhaust fan. Our little toilet. Rule number 1 is you don't do number 2. You got to go to the campsite bathroom. Look at that. Petey. And under here, we got toilet paper and stuff there. And oh, let us not forget, here's the bathroom door. It's a little pocket door. So come back out. There's the TV. There's some storage. A little dinette. If you pull this table, you can pull those legs out and flip-flop those seats for another bed. I don't think it'd be that comfortable, but if you're my friend, which you are, we would be drinking and it wouldn't even bother you. So, there's our little tour. I love you. Bye.